So interestingly enough, we do things a little bit differently at Steiner's. We didn't convert to a compostable film. We launched the company with compostable films. We believed that we could be stewards for a better planet by bringing a clear film to our products and our packaging construct. We did not go to market until we found Fudimura and NatureFlex. So we didn't change. We started with NatureFlex. They've been a part of our DNA from the get-go. All of Steiner's ready-to-eat baked goods, which are fresh frozen, are wrapped in Fudimura's NatureFlex film. So that is our coffee cake, our chocolate fudge brownies, and then we have a ready-to-eat ginger snap and cookie line, chocolate chip cookies, espresso chocolate chip cookies, and an oatmeal raisin cookie, which all use a NatureFlex clear film bag. So all of them. You know, all I can say is we have a repeat order rate of 85%. And our shelf life is 2 years frozen, 30 days in the refrigerator, and 3 days ambient. We don't use any preservatives, additives, shelf life extenders in our products. And the only thing protecting it is NatureFlex. So that kind of speaks to itself. I mean, the product's holding up, the packaging's holding up, it's holding up. I can't say enough about it. I have it here in my home. I'm testing it all the time, right? I kind of put it through its paces constantly over the years. We don't have an issue. We have not had an issue. They've been great collaborators. They've been through some changes as well. And, you know, I've stayed in touch with them through all these years. I've worked directly with them. It's been a pleasure. I'm a big fan. I mean, a big fan.